Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a Notion account. Creating a Notion account is a straightforward process. Here's how you can get that done. First, open your web browser. I'm actually using Chrome and go to the Notion website. And the Notion website is notion.so. Click on enter. Yeah, we are in Notion. Now you're gonna have to click on Get Notion for free, which is at the, okay, I'm coming. So I'm gonna X on this. So you can click on Get Notion for free, which is here at the top right corner of this homepage. Now we're here. You have several options to create an account on Notion. First thing is to enter your email. So enter your email address and click on continue. Then check your email inbox for confirmation email from Notion, and then open the email and click on confirm email link to verify your address. Now you can open it. You can create an account with Google. So go ahead and click on continue with Google. Sign in with a Google account if prompted and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the sign up. Now you can click on continue with Apple. This requires you to sign in with your Apple ID if prompted and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. And also you can sign in with single sign-on SSO. Just follow the prompts and complete the process. Now, after verifying your email or signing in with Google or Apple or email or SSO, you'll be asked to set up your workspace. So enter a name for your workspace, select your role, personal or team, and get going. So I'm going to continue with Google, and I'm going to give necessary permissions to create my account. This is the onboarding. So you're going to have to select it for your team, for personal use, or for school. I'm just going to click for personal use, and I'm going to click on OK. So what is on your mind? Now you're going to have to select this. Let's say personal finance for the nutrition project tracking, to-do list, personal finance, habit tracking. I'm just going to do any of that, books and media, all of them. So go ahead and click on continue. Now it says getting ready. Taking you to your workspace. Ta-da! Mine has been created. So welcome to Notion. Here are the basics. Click anywhere and just start typing, and then hit that to see all types of content you can add. Then highlight any text, cd that, and click on new page, click on calendar. All of these are just processes to actually help you get started in Notion. So if you signed up using an email, you may need to create a password for your account. So follow any additional prompts to complete your profile setup and get started with Notion, which I've done here. So once your account is created, you can access Notion through the web, or you can download Notion app for desktop or mobile for more convenient access. So that's pretty much it. So this will give you access to Notion's features and allow you to start organizing your notes, tasks, and projects. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.